Please tell me a key ritual before to start a day. For me, it's when you open your eyes. For me, it's when I open my eyes and how I get to feel that day. How I feel and acknowledging that. Maybe it's just automatic. Yesterday I woke up not feeling great, and that also could be having to do with the planets. Today I woke up kind of a blank slate, which felt really good, and I thought, I gotta keep this going. Sometimes I wake up with an amazing feeling of joy. So I love those are my favorite, highly recommended. So for me, the most important thing to start your day is before you even get out of bed. You open your eyes, feel grateful for something. Feel grateful for the life that you have. Feel grateful that you have a body that's fully functioning. Feel grateful that you have consciousness. Grateful. So wake up, feel grateful. Hopefully that leads to happiness and a smile on your face. And then you can do your daily practices, which are chanting, some recommendations, chant to Ganesha before you get out of bed, or chant Thiru Neela Kantam, the mantra for removing karma before you get out of bed, or chant Shreem Brzee before you get out of bed. And then start using the practice even while you're getting ready. Just be chanting, be chanting, be chanting. So that's my suggestion.